You mean Clovis or Fresno?
This is Fresno.
We're in Fresno, California. Just finished installing a Bradford white 40-gallon natural gas water heater. You can see right here, model number, serial number. Starting at the top, we give you a new shutoff valve. So we like to use Watts. This is a 3/4 inch full port ball valve, solid brass, quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Going to a brass nipple, and then of course Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. On the hot side, we reused the copper that was already stubbed out of the wall with the adapter. All we've added is the Falcon stainless steel connector down to a Watts circulation pump and then a brass connector. All the time's set on that and it's all plugged in, ready to go. The only thing that we did with the vent pipe is add a 90 in the bottom. That was a little too short, so we added this 90 in here. That's your existing pipe, exhaust pipe going up into the attic and then through the roof. Remind me about that stain, Christian, at the roof. Relief valve right here. This is a drain line only, so we've got a little piece of galvanized pipe right here. So this is not potable water. This isn't where you turn on your shower, your sink or anything and water comes through. This is for drain only, which means this line is typically never full of water ever. If you do happen to have something going on, this line goes outside and it terminates on the side yard. If you ever get dripping out of there, it means something's wrong with this device and would need to be replaced. But that rarely happens in our experience. But that came with the water heater. It's a relief temperature and pressure relief valve. Upper third, we got adjustable straps. Lower third, adjustable straps. We did replace the gas valve and the gas connector. And then right now, of course, we've got the water is set to hot. So hot is approximately 120 degrees. We recommend leaving it there just for safety purposes. A 130, B 140, C 150, very hot. 160 at B. 140, you got third-degree burns, 3 seconds, you're going to the hospital. So be mindful of that. You're free to adjust the temperature, but that you can stand in that for 7 minutes, full 7 minutes, before you start scalding. That's where the EPA likes to leave it at. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.